Yo, what's up, y'all? Back with hopefully the last rendition of this banger, the Gecoconut Chronicles. I washed him off. I gave him redemption, so I'm gonna see if I can eat him, and I can get the homework because say hey to Miss Fretwell. Miss Fretwell, everything's due tomorrow. So, coconut spoon. Oh, he's hard. She's raspy today. Oh, I don't want that. I don't want that. That's coconut jelly. I guess I'm gonna just take a bite. Coconut. Gecoconut, Jacoby. 3, 2, 1. Psych! You gotta like and hit that follow button and the notifications bell to get more bangers. And then I'll eat your coconut. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Psych! I know you didn't like or subscribe or hit that notification button. I'll give you another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mm. 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 That's not it. Okay. Oh, Gecoconut failed me. It tastes like cartilage. You know, like your ear bone, or like if you had to take this part of your ear and just chew on it. But it was rinsed in coconut water before that. It's exactly what it tastes like. Coconut failed me, and I don't know. I had high hopes. Panic at the Disco reference. I had high hopes. Didn't live up to the hype, and let me know what I should do next for my next video. Jacoby, Gecoconut. See ya.